So good morning, guys. So today I'm going to explain about the scripting language called PowerShell scripting, and I'm going to to take the complete PowerShell end-to-end sessions. So I'm going to cover from this channel and um, PowerShell scripting or PowerShell. So so in order to communicate the Windows or between the servers, so we need a one common language for in order to communicate, so that is called the PowerShell. And PowerShell is it's a command line shell and it's an scripting language and designed especially for the system administrators, and also nowadays it is released for the Linux systems as well as a PowerShell core. Okay, and the PowerShell is built on top of the .NET framework. So the PowerShell helps to IT professionals to control and automate the administration of the Windows operating system and the applications that run on the Windows service environment. So especially in the Windows PowerShell commands, the commands called the commandlets let you manage the computers from the command line. Windows PowerShell provides to access the data stores such as the registry, certificate store as easily as you can access the file system. So I'll see. I'm going to give you one demonstration. Get services. So get services is one of the commandlet which is already predefined in the Windows. And if you just so I wanted to explain how to access this one first. So if you open the Windows, if you search PowerShell, so you're gonna get two PowerShell, item like this: PowerShell, Windows PowerShell ISC and Windows PowerShell. So Windows Power ISC is the GUI in order to easily you can type the things and you can easily execute, debug everything. This is a developer kind of tool where you can easily uh, you know uh, create a scripting on this. And another one that is just a CMD kind of shell where it's difficult to do for the web development work. It is useful for the one line or two line commandlets, but not more than that. So I always prefer to use Windows PowerShell IC to write a scripting. So if you look at the get services is a one of the commandlet. If you just if if you notice there are two buttons are there, one for uh, you know run script F5 and one for F8. If you're running the overall script, just press this button, or else if you want to execute only one line, just execute this like this. See, so you got so many services which are you know in the stopped state, running state, so like that. So this command that is going to use for um to list out all the services which are running on your system. And out of that I'm going to uh, filter out the names, select name, status. If you like this, see, it is going to display only the name of the service and along with the running state. I mean the status of the your service. Also, you can filter like I want only specific service to display. If you just if you look at the anyone command that, if you just type like this, where name equal to, see here I'm just displaying the only one service, that is WinRM service. And if you just run this one, you're gonna get a name and along with the status of the service. So like this. So this is called filtering. So we will discuss more about the filters later on, but I'm just giving you, how, overview of how the PowerShell script is, helping in our day-to-day activities, especially in the Windows area. And um, so if you look at the one second, so I would like to know what is the version of the ISC at the current installed version, installed PowerShell. If you just type $ps version table, if you type like this, you're gonna get a PS version as 5.1 and PS edition is a desktop. So like this. So this is the command $ps version table in order to list out the all the versions details like this. And thanks for watching. So we are going to cover more on the PowerShell on daily basis. Thank you guys.